Alright guys, so my product today is the 50-foot expandable hose by CinchWares. And so I haven't opened this package yet, but I do want to kind of show you guys some pictures it has on it and some things that it includes with it. It's supposed to include also the 50-foot, obviously the expandable hose, a nozzle, a hanger, and a drawstring bag along with a couple of washers. So let's check it out. Well, Alright, so we have the plastic hanger. Okay, you could mount that up or you could just use this to carry it, which in my case, I plan on not keeping this out the whole time, but keeping it in my garage and pulling it out when I need this. Alright, so you can kind of see in here, it comes in this drawstring bag, and it's got some little see-through portion you can kind of check out exactly what's in it. Let's see. So everything right now is encased in plastic. So taking it out of this drawstring bag, right, you can see everything is in here inside the plastic, and there's this like little part down here at the bottom that rip off. Alright, and you can see that you have the little rubber gasket. Now these gaskets are important for whenever your hose begins to leak. Having a couple extra of these around is never a bad thing. Even if they don't necessarily, if you don't need them for this, you might need them for a different hose that you have. There is a set of instructions about what to do. And one of the important things it says is not to run hot water through these hoses. And not to leave them on when not in use. Okay, so the sprayer here feels a little bit cheaper than I would typically buy with one, but that being said, it comes free along with the hose that you buy, so can't really complain too much. It feels a little bit better. It feels better than like a dollar store sprayer, and we have the hose itself. Now, one of the important things about the hose is that if you look at this, it kind of looks like some old shoestrings that you didn't have to tie when I was a kid. Well, what happens is when you actually run this through, this is going to expand and going to straighten out. So you take this tiny, what was a small little area, and it increases the surface area inside of that, and which is really good. Now, one thing I do like about this is you can tell that this little screw cap here, this is actually metal, which is good. I like that. So you have metal against metal. Sometimes you end up with a plastic end, and the plastic ends always end up breaking because they're always leaking, and so you tighten them more and then you end up over tightening them. Anyway, so I have used similar ones in the past, and I must say that I do like these, and they're nice to have around in that they fit in a very small compact space. If you need to take them somewhere, well, obviously you have the drawstring bag, you can do so, or you could just carry it on the provided little carrying mount. You could mount this to your wall somewhere if you really wanted to. Anyway, so check it out. You can find the link in the description to the product itself. Have a good day.